Brisbane Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to woo Sydney. After a power-packed address to the Indian diaspora at the Madison Square Garden in New York, Modi will now be speaking at the Allphones Arena located at Sydney's Olympic Park. In a 6-hour visit to Sydney, the Prime Minister will attend the reception by the Indian community hosted by the High Commission and then address the Indians present at the arena. So, Prime Minister Modi will be recreating the Madison Square magic in Sydney. That's the big question. But reports say Modi's event at the arena has broken all records, considering the bookings at the venue already, with 23,000 people signing in to attend the event. Major arrangements have also been made inside and outside the arena.
So the Modi Express has finally reached Sydney. The people have had an overnight journey of almost 10 to 11 years and they are here to listen to Narendra Modi. How was your journey?
It was very nice. पूरी रात नहीं सोए हम लोग. पूरी रात हंगामा हुआ है, भांगड़ा हुआ है, ढोकला भी खाया है और खाना भी खाया है. बहुत मजा किया है हमने. फुल एनर्जाइज है मोदी साहब को मिलने के लिए. Modi, Modi.
Did you ever have such a journey even back there in India?
Sorry?
Did you ever have such a journey even back home in India?
Many times, many times. It's not the first one. And it's not the last one.
Many more to come.
Many more to come.
We've seen tricolor flags. We've seen Narendra Modi masks here. So it's basically that there is a Modi in everyone here, either on the T-shirt or on a mask.
Exactly. He's everywhere and we're very excited for the speech tonight.
Oh, that's wonderful. Everybody is waiting to hear Narendra Modi. What does he say when he comes here? Does he say something about them? नरेंद्र मोदी जिस तरह के नेता हैं, जिस तरह से वो बातचीत करते हैं लोगों से, यहाँ पर आप आए हैं उन्हें सुनने के लिए. क्या कुछ खास सुनना है आज?
हमने ये सुनना है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं और काफी दिनों से इस चीज की उम्मीद थी हमारे देशवासियों को कि एक ऐसा लीडर मिले जिससे कि हमारे देश के आम बच्चों के और युवा पीढ़ी को ठहराव मिले. हमारे देश की तरक्की रुक गई थी और नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अभी यहाँ इतना बड़ा गेयर अप किया है कि ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. हम आशा करते हैं, भाई ईश्वर से ये प्रार्थना करते हैं उनकी लंबी उम्र हो और वो हमारे देश को एक बहुत उज्जवल भविष्य दें.
So this is the Modi Express flag that they've been waving and क्या इसी को वेव करके ट्रेन चलती थी, रुकती थी?
इसी को वेव करके ट्रेन चलती थी, रुकती थी.
So you've been lucky enough to get it.
Yes, I am lucky one.
So you'll keep it for life?
Yes, definitely. This is souvenir for me for life. Thank you.
So we can see Modi Express almost everywhere here. There's an important thing to note here that it is the first time that it's almost like a chartered train that has come from one city to another, from Melbourne to Sydney here. And for the first time in Australian railway history, that's what we've been told, that an extra coach has been added to the train to accommodate more people. There have not been more than 250 people, but there were many more from Melbourne who wanted to come here, despite the fact that there's a reception in Melbourne as well. But the Melbourne reception perhaps is a select 1,000 people and not many could come here to meet Mr. Modi. With camera person Ashok Bhanot, this is Shweta Singh in Sydney for Headlines Today.